Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to fix issues with PlayStation gift card codes quickly and effortlessly. First, double check that you entered all 12 characters of your code correctly. Scratch off the panel carefully. Use a coin and watch out for confusing characters like 0 versus O, since mistyping is one of the most common issues. Next, ensure your PlayStation account's region matches the card's region printed on the voucher, because mismatch errors are a frequent cause of failure. If you've tried multiple times and are seeing errors like too many attempts, give it at least 24 hours before retrying to avoid temporary blocks. Also, check the PlayStation Network status. If their servers are experiencing problems, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Still stuck? Try redeeming the code using the PlayStation Store website or mobile app instead of your console. Sometimes, switching platforms does the trick. Finally, if everything checks out and still won't work, contact PlayStation support or the retailer. Your card might be damaged, inactive, or already redeemed, and they can help you sort it out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this.